Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and essential topic in the world of machine learning and artificial intelligence, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. We'll explore the entire process, from development to production, and how to integrate continuous integration and continuous deployment, commonly known as CI/CD, into your deployment pipeline. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist, a software engineer, or an AI enthusiast, this video will provide valuable insights and practical steps you can take to streamline your AI projects. So grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Understanding the AI model deployment pipeline. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of building a deployment pipeline, let's first define what an AI model deployment pipeline is. In simple terms, it's a systematic process that allows you to take your machine learning models from development to production, ensuring they operate reliably and efficiently in real-world applications. The pipeline consists of several key stages: data collection, model training, model evaluation, deployment, and monitoring. Each of these stages is vital in ensuring that your model performs well and meets the needs of your users. Now, let's break down each of these components in detail. Data collection. The first step in any AI project is data collection. This is where it all begins. You need high-quality data to train your machine learning models effectively. Depending on your project, data can come from various sources like databases, APIs, web scraping, or even user-generated content. It's crucial to ensure that the data you're gathering is clean, relevant, and representative of the problem you're trying to solve. Data quality directly influences the performance of your model. Once you've collected your data, you'll want to pre-process it. This may involve cleaning, normalizing, and transforming the data into a format suitable for training. This step is essential because the quality of your data greatly affects your model's accuracy and robustness. Model training. After pre-processing your data, the next phase is model training. This involves selecting the appropriate algorithms and techniques to train your model on the prepared dataset. You'll want to experiment with different models and hyperparameters to find the best combination for your problem. During this phase, it's important to conduct thorough testing and validation. Use techniques such as cross-validation to ensure that your model generalizes well to unseen data. But remember, once you train your model, the real challenge is to ensure it can be deployed reliably. This is where building a robust deployment pipeline becomes essential. CI/CD integration. Now, let's talk about CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. CI/CD is a set of practices that enable development teams to deliver code changes more frequently and reliably. In the context of AI and machine learning, integrating CI/CD into your deployment pipeline allows you to automate various processes, ensuring that your models are updated and deployed seamlessly. Continuous integration involves automatically testing and building your code whenever changes are made. This ensures that any bugs or issues are identified early in the development process, making it easier to maintain the quality of your code. On the other hand, continuous deployment is the practice of automatically deploying your code to production after it has passed all necessary tests and validations. This means that your AI models can be updated frequently without the need for manual intervention, allowing for quicker iterations and improvements. So, how can we integrate CI/CD into our AI model deployment pipeline? Let's break down the steps involved. Building the CI/CD pipeline. First, you need to establish a version control system for your code. Using platforms like Git allows you to track changes in your codebase and collaborate with team members effectively. Once you have a version control system in place, you can set up a CI/CD tool, such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, or CircleCI. Next, you'll want to create a series of automated tests for your model. These tests can include unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. The goal is to ensure that your model performs as expected and that any changes made to the code do not break existing functionality. After you've established your tests, you can configure your CI/CD pipeline to automatically run these tests whenever a new code change is made. If the tests pass, the pipeline can automatically build a Docker container for your model. Docker provides a consistent environment for your application, making it easier to deploy across different platforms. Once the Docker container is built, you can push it to a container registry, such as Docker Hub or Amazon ECR. From there, you can set up a deployment stage in your pipeline that automatically deploys the updated container to your production environment. Deployment strategies. Now that we have our CI/CD pipeline in place, let's discuss deployment strategies. There are various methods for deploying machine learning models, each with its pros and cons. Here are a few common strategies. 1. Blue-green deployment. This strategy involves having two identical production environments, known as blue and green. At any time, one environment is live, while the other is idle. When deploying a new model, you can deploy it to the idle environment, run tests, and then switch traffic to the new environment once you're satisfied with its performance. This minimizes downtime and allows for easy rollbacks if issues arise. 2. Canary releases. In a canary release, the new model is gradually rolled out to a small subset of users before being fully deployed. This allows you to monitor the performance and gather feedback on the new model without affecting the entire user base. If any issues arise, you can quickly revert to the previous version. 3. A/B testing. A/B testing is a method where you deploy multiple versions of your model simultaneously to different user groups. By comparing the performance of each model variant, you can determine which one performs better in real-world scenarios. This strategy is particularly useful for optimizing model performance and user engagement. For shadow deployment, in shadow deployment, the new model runs alongside the existing model but does not affect users. Instead, the output of the new model is recorded for analysis. This allows you to evaluate the new model's performance and make improvements before fully deploying it. Monitoring and maintaining the model. Once your model is deployed, the work doesn't stop there. Continuous monitoring is crucial to ensure that your model continues to perform well over time. This is especially important in dynamic environments where data patterns can change. You'll want to implement monitoring tools that track key performance metrics such as accuracy, latency, and error rates. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or custom dashboards can help you visualize these metrics in real time. If you notice a drop in performance, it's essential to investigate the cause. It could be due to concept drift, where the underlying data distribution changes over time, or it may indicate that you need to retrain your model with new data. Establishing a feedback loop is also vital. Gathering user feedback and performance data allows you to make informed decisions about when to retrain or update your model. This iterative approach is key to maintaining a high-performing AI system. Scalability considerations. As your user base grows, scalability becomes increasingly important. You'll want to ensure that your deployment pipeline can handle increased traffic and data volume without compromising performance. Utilizing cloud services like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure can provide the necessary infrastructure to scale your models efficiently. These platforms offer services such as autoscaling, load balancers, and managed machine learning services that can help you manage fluctuating demand. Additionally, consider implementing microservices architecture for your AI models. By breaking down your applications into smaller, independent services, you can scale individual components based on demand. This approach also enhances maintainability and allows for easier updates to specific parts of your application without affecting the whole system. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline requires careful planning and execution. By integrating CI/CD practices, you can automate testing and deployment processes, enabling faster iterations and more reliable releases. Remember, the key stages of the deployment pipeline include data collection, model training, deployment, and monitoring. By leveraging various deployment strategies and scalability considerations, you can ensure that your models perform optimally in production. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI deployments. What strategies have you used, and what challenges have you faced? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and keep innovating in the world of AI.